Starting at 7:45 pretty much. 32 times. I'm going till 10:32 when I come home. This would be Dean's campfire. It's coming into my yard. I think I just left to go find out where the smoke is coming from. $8:10, now I'm back. $8:13. I think I called the fire department then. There's 8:27, vehicle on Alpine to Furwood. 8:30, there was another vehicle there or something. There's another vehicle on Alpine 8:42. Another vehicle on Alpine 8:45. Another vehicle on Alpine 8:48. Going back and forth, it looks like. Another vehicle on Alpine 8:54. There's me. Going home. Maybe that was me out there. Driving by. There. I'm leaving my house now. It's 9 o'clock. 9:03. When I thought the fire had been out, I came back, and the fire wasn't out, because I could still smell smoke in my yard when I went to open my gate. That's when I moved to Sawhorse. I guess all those passes on Alpine were me. See, I came back to open my gate, and then I left again because it still smelled like smoke. Even though you don't really see the smoke much right there, I smelled it. It was still pretty bad. So I left again. Went for a drive again. Drove all over the neighborhood, wasting gas in a coronavirus emergency. Wasting my gas. I'm pissed. Where am I going to go? I don't want to go anywhere because of that coronavirus. I just want to come home. I was actually tired. I want to go to sleep. There's 10:34. I'm at home. Buddy's got his campfire going over there, but you can tell which way the smoke is going. There's my dog gagging. You can hear him. Anyway, that's 10:40. I'm at home.